There's a lot of hidden features.
There is, because we don't have that good of a manual.
I'll blame Ananda for that.
Yeah. Hidden feature, I would say something that pilots may not know right away is you have a heading bug in the EFIS. If you tap and hold the heading, then you can select the heading bug, and it's this magenta bug here. And the same thing for the altitude. You can select, like if you have to climb, sorry, you tap and hold the altitude, and then we want to climb to, I don't know, 1,000. And then you'll have a magenta line on the altitude bar, and that's how you choose those two. Another hidden feature.
You can lock the screen as well. That's something when you're
lock, yeah. So because the app is very flexible and you can change screens by swiping and double tapping and all this great stuff, if in the air, if you don't want this feature, there's a lock button. So just touch the screen, you'll see the lock button, and once you press it, it will prevent you from doing all the swiping, and it will keep the screen locked. So that's another hidden, it's not hidden, but people may not know about it.
What about adjusting your V speeds? That's something that a lot of people do not adjust, and I think that's something that you can do on the app. Yeah. So if you have the, let's see, airspeed indicator, right? You can adjust all your V speeds.
I'm gonna go to, I have my settings here. On the settings window, you can adjust all the V speeds. And so this gauge will align. Also on the EFIS screen, this will be fixed. And another one is the heading source. Whatever is shown here, you can choose from what source you want it. There's a compass inside all our devices, but there's also GPS. So if you want GPS track, you can choose that as well. So this will be driven by whatever you say here. I would say that's it.
Yeah, perfect.